Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy link any pin on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find copy link. Click on it and it will be copied, and that's it. That's how to copy any link of any pin on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.